Where are the eggs, Maya? Go find the Easter eggs. Oh, put that in your basket, Maya. Here. In your basket. Good job. Good. Oh, nice. Where are the rest of the eggs? Oh, we're going to stop and play now.
In the basket. Good job. Oh, good one. Very nice job. Aha.
That sounds like a real egg.
That's a real egg.
Don't drop that one.
Good job. They're holding up. Here, Maya. Here's the basket. Very nice work. Oh, I don't think there's any that way. Come on over. You see some? Come on, I'll lift you down. Oh, that one fell apart. Can we put it in the basket anyway? There you go. Your basket's getting full, huh? Yeah. You see any more eggs? Those are pretty, huh? Pretty eggs.
Are you an egg layer? Thank you. It goes very well in my coffee.
Uh-oh.
She's good. She stepped out.
Maya, come back this way. Are you going to put them in your basket?
You gotta drop one before you
Put it in your
three.
basket.
There you go. Go get the other one.
Good job.